Hey Progreda users, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to talk about adding a chat widget to your funnel. Now, why is this important? Well, adding a chat widget to your funnel is an awesome way to engage visitors in real time, answer their questions instantly, and capture leads directly from your site. It helps improve conversions by allowing immediate interaction, which is key to keeping prospects engaged. So whether it's for answering quick inquiries, setting up appointments, or guiding users through your funnel, the chat widget makes the whole experience smoother and more personal. Sound exciting, right? Let's dive right in. Of course, first, let me share my screen here. Log in to your Progreda account. So here's the dashboard, and go to Sites. So once you're here, go to Chat Widget. And this is where you'll be able to create and customize your chat widget. So to start, click on the big blue button here that says New. And you'll see three options for different types of chat widgets you can add. So you have here for the SMS or email chat, for the live chat, and for the WhatsApp chat. So for this tutorial, we're going to go with SMS or email chat. So go on, click Select. Now, here's where the magic happens. Now that we have selected SMS or email chat, you will see what we call the chat widget. So it pops up here in the bottom corner of your site or funnel page. You can start customizing it to fit your brand. So here, as you can see, now let's walk through the options. So you can edit the title here. So let's say chat widget there. Here, you can edit the title of the chat widget if you'd like to make it more personalized. Now, here for the view mode, here on below the chat widget title, you can see here how the widget will look like on desktop. So, on mobile or phone or in tab. So you can switch between these views to see how it will appear across devices. Pretty cool, right? Now, here for the editing of the content and the design, let's edit some of the content and design here. Let's try one. Now, here on the chat window, there's a title and the intro. So you can edit the chat window title, the intro message as well. So you have the contact form options. You can put name, phone, or message to get the client's information. And also, here you have the button text send. All right, sounds cool. So here, you can also edit the acknowledgement and the greeting message. Next, we have the messaging settings. Here, and that's it. You've just added a chat widget to your funnel in Progreda and customize it to perfectly fit your needs. Now, when visitors engage with your funnel, they can chat with you instantly via SMS or email, helping you convert leads and answer questions on the spot. And when everything looks good, just click Save. Now, here's to recap. So, of course, log into your Progreda, go to Sites, then Chat Widget, then click New and choose SMS or email chat. Customize the title, content, form, options, and messages. Then click Save. And your chat widget is ready to go. Now, if you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more Progreda tips and tricks. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and happy funnel building!